Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the SinoTrack 2024 new HUD, which is heads-up display if you're not familiar with the term, GPS speedometer, and three things you need to know. Thing number one, this is a GPS satellite-based HUD, which means there's no wiring, there's no programming. You just simply give it power and give it a few seconds to maybe no more 30 seconds, and it'll be up and running on its own. Thing number two, it's USB powered, so you don't have to run special power cabling. Now, if it's in a golf cart and you don't have 12 volts readily available, the poor man's solution is you get one of these power banks like you see mine on, and that will get you running until you can figure out what you want to do with getting 12 volts installed. Thing number three, this also functions like a compass. You see the N at the top of the display, and that is its indication once it gets rolling which direction you're heading in. Now when you first come up, it's going to put you in the direction it thinks it's going in, but it's continually reassessing it as it resamples the data stream coming off of the GPS satellites. So whether you're wanting to put this in a vehicle that doesn't have a speedometer, or you're wanting to check the validity of the speedometer in a vehicle that is equipped, or say heaven forbid you go into a vehicle that the speedometer is not working, this is a very acceptable way to get you up and running. So take a look at this one and think about getting one today.